Hi, my name's Eliana. I'm a rising sophomore at USU University High School for Girls. For my second milestone, I added more LEDs. I soldered everything to my PCB, and I put my lamp together. I would now like to demo my project. Turn on red LED. Turn on green LED. Turn on white LED. Turn off. To put my project together, I started by putting pebbles in my jar for a nice design. After it was halfway full, I added in the gel wax. Because I didn't have access to a stove, I melted the gel wax with the heat gun, and I did it in portions so this way the gel wax could melt evenly. I then let it cool and I waited for the gel wax to harden. The next part of my project was to solder everything onto my PCB board. A PCB board stands for printed circuit board. I used the Adafruit breadboard PCB. So this way I didn't have to make the connections myself. All I had to do was just solder it down. I then added 7 more LEDs to my original circuit because I wanted the light to be brighter. I also made my LEDs parallel to each other. In my circuit, I also have 2 rows of LEDs. These 2 rows of LEDs could be programmed separately and could work, don't have to work together, but I programmed them to work together and to light up at the same time. But I did have an issue where both the rows weren't lighting up at the same time. So to fix that problem, I checked my code and I realized that I had a delay in it. So I took out the delay and I then checked the connections and checked the wiring to make sure everything was okay. I reloaded the code and it ended up fixing the problem. I then decided to put the PCB in the lid because I wanted the lights to shine directly through the gel, and I also drilled through the lid holes, so this way I'll be able to pull through the wiring to connect the wires to the Arduino.